Best currency pairs to trade for beginners. Before delving into the world of currency trading, it's essential to understand the inherent risks. Contrary to popular belief, trading is not a guaranteed path to riches. In fact, a significant portion of traders lose money. Studies show that over 80% of retail traders lose money within their first year. This statistic underscores the importance of careful consideration and thorough research before entering the market. Despite the risks, currency trading, also known as forex trading, can be a lucrative venture for those who approach it with discipline and knowledge. One crucial aspect of successful trading is selecting the right currency pairs. While there are numerous pairs to choose from, certain ones are more suitable for beginners due to their lower volatility, higher liquidity, and easier predictability. The most popular and widely traded currency pair is the EUR-USD, often referred to as the euro-dollar. This pair accounts for a significant portion of daily trading volume. Its popularity stems from the economic strength of both the European Union and the United States, making it a relatively stable and predictable option for beginners. Another popular choice is the GBP-USD, commonly known as cable. The British pound sterling and the US dollar are two of the world's most influential currencies, making the GBP-USD pair a highly liquid and frequently traded asset. While it can be more volatile than the EUR-USD, its popularity and liquidity make it a viable option for beginners. The USD-JPY pair is another excellent choice for novice traders. The Japanese yen is a safe haven currency, often sought after during times of economic uncertainty. This can lead to relatively stable price movements, making the USD-JPY pair less volatile than some other currency pairs. For those seeking a slightly more challenging but potentially rewarding pair, the AUD-USD is worth considering. The Australian dollar is closely tied to commodity prices, particularly iron ore and coal. This can lead to more significant price fluctuations, but it also presents opportunities for profit. When selecting currency pairs, it's crucial to consider factors such as liquidity, volatility, and correlation. Highly liquid pairs, like the EUR-USD, GBP-USD, and USD-JPY, are generally easier to trade as they have a large number of buyers and sellers. Volatility refers to the degree of price fluctuation. While higher volatility can present opportunities for profit, it also increases the risk of losses. Correlation refers to the relationship between different currency pairs. Understanding correlation can help traders identify potential trading strategies. In conclusion, while currency trading can be a rewarding endeavor, it's essential to approach it with caution and a sound understanding of the market. By selecting the right currency pairs and developing a solid trading strategy, beginners can increase chances of success.